All right, let's get right into it. For what feels like forever, we've talked about AI as this far-off thing stuck in a research lab. But that's all changing. AI is officially out of the lab and walking right into the doctor's office. And honestly, it's starting to perform what you can only call modern-day miracles.
No, really, just stop and think about that for a second. What if everything your doctor needed to know about some of the world's most challenging diseases could be found in one tiny drop of your blood? Sounds like pure science fiction, right?
Well, guess what? It's not sci-fi anymore. Today, we're going to count down 7 absolutely incredible breakthroughs that are happening as we speak. We're talking about a total transformation of medicine, from predicting disease with that single drop of blood to turning drugs into precision-guided weapons.
So, let's kick off our countdown. We're starting with technologies that basically act like your own personal health guardian, giving us these unbelievable early warnings and, well, even creating digital copies of ourselves to predict the future. So, kicking off our countdown at number 7, we've got the crystal ball blood test. Just picture this. You walk into a clinic, maybe you've just got a cough, the doctor takes one single drop of blood, and an AI analyzes your immune cells. A few moments later, it not only tells you what's causing your cough, but it also flags that you have early-stage diabetes and HIV. A study in the journal Nature has shown this is now possible. One little prick, 3 massive, life-changing answers. This is a total game changer for diagnostics. Okay, so from analyzing a drop of blood to analyzing our most critical organ. At number 6. This is literally your heart's digital doppelganger. So a patient, let's call her Sarah, comes in complaining about a racing heart. Now, this is where it gets amazing. Doctors take her existing data, like ECGs, and an AI builds a functioning virtual replica of her specific heart. This digital twin can then be stress tested and simulated to find hidden weak spots before they ever become a real life-threatening problem. It's like a personalized crystal ball for the one organ you can't live without. Coming in at number 5, we're shifting gears from what's going on inside our bodies to how we protect them on the outside. Say hello to the crash-proof helmet. Think about a cyclist, we'll call him Mike, who has a really close call with a car. He walks away from it okay, and a huge reason why is that his helmet wasn't just manufactured, it was literally designed by an AI. Using deep learning, the AI has figured out how to create these incredible new materials that absorb and redirect impact in ways humans just hadn't thought of. We're talking about dramatically slashing the odds of a concussion. This isn't just about adding better padding. It's about building fundamentally smarter safety. All right, now we're really raising the stakes. As we move into our top 4, we're going to see how AI is shifting from prevention to the absolute front lines of medicine, taking on our deadliest diseases head on. And at number 4, we tackle one of the biggest, toughest fights in all of medicine. This one is cancer's DNA decoder. So a woman named Lisa is facing a brain tumor. But now, her doctors have an AI that acts like a secret decoder ring for her specific cancer. It analyzes the tumor's unique genetic fingerprint and finds its exact vulnerabilities, the perfect weak spots for targeted drugs to attack. What this really means is that treatment is no longer this blunt instrument. It's becoming a highly targeted, personalized weapon. Rolling into our top 3, we've got a breakthrough that could literally affect millions of people, and they might not even know it's happening. It's the cuff-free blood pressure test. So picture Tom at a routine checkup. After a standard ECG, the doctor says, "Hey, your blood pressure is high." But he never used a cuff. How'd he know? Well, an AI has learned to spot the incredibly subtle signs of hypertension just by reading the heart's electrical signals. Now, just imagine this tech built into your smartwatch, giving you a constant passive reading all day long. It's basically a silent guardian against a silent killer. All right, we are so close to the top spot. Here at number 2, AI is going global, and it's doing it to protect all of us. We're calling this AI's germ-hunting radar. Think of a public health official, Dr. Patel, trying to figure out where the next big pandemic might come from. This AI is her ultimate weapon. It just plows through unimaginable amounts of data. We're talking global travel patterns, climate data, local health reports, all to find hidden patterns and predict where the next outbreak hotspots will be. It's basically a weather app for pandemics, and it gives us a desperately needed head start. And that brings us to our number 1 breakthrough. We're calling this one the cancer-fighting sniper, because it's all about combining this incredible new intelligence with unbelievable precision to fight our most feared disease in a totally new way.
And the #1 healthcare miracle powered by AI is
The sniper upgrade for cancer drugs. Let's think about another cancer patient, Anna. Her treatment is now being guided by an AI that acts like a GPS for her medicine. You heard that right. It uses these super detailed maps of her tumor to guide drugs directly to the cancerous cells while avoiding all the healthy tissue around them. This means the treatment is way more effective, and those awful, debilitating side effects are massively reduced. It's a precision strike that makes healthcare feel like it was literally made to order just for her.
So, when you take a step back and look at that entire countdown, what's the big picture? What does this new reality of healthcare actually mean for you and me? Let's connect the dots.
This is where it gets really brilliant. You can see how these breakthroughs start to work together. Remember number 4, the DNA decoder? That's the AI that finds the target, the tumor's secret weak spot. And then our number 1, the sniper upgrade, is the AI that hits that exact target with pinpoint accuracy. It's a devastating 1-2 punch against cancer, created and executed entirely by artificial intelligence. So when you boil it all down, AI is giving medicine 3 brand new superpowers. First, you've got smarter diagnosis, catching things way earlier and faster than we ever could before. Second is personalized treatment, tailoring medicine to your unique body, not just your disease. And third, proactive prevention, predicting health risks and stopping them before they even get started. And that right there is the ultimate takeaway. This isn't some theory for the future. As our source material perfectly puts it, this is no longer just lab chatter. It's hitting clinics today, right now, and it is saving lives. Which leaves us with one final and really exciting question to think about. We are just at the very beginning of this revolution. Now that AI is our partner in the clinic, what impossible cure is next? What disease that we once thought was untouchable might be the next one to fall? The possibilities are just starting to open up.